Hi, this is Teresa at Track Creation for you, where we explore, experiment, and execute effectively. Today, I want to walk you through Office 365 app launcher. They have recently made some changes to what their homepage look like, and thought I would show you that there is a difference on when you click on certain applications, you're going to go to their site directly, versus if you click on the icon, it's going to actually show you filter content for that application. So let's take a look. So I'm actually on the Office 365 homepage, and we have two ways to look at the applications that Microsoft offers, either from this quick launch, or if you click on the 9 dots up in the corner here, you will see all their applications as well. And while I'm here, I want to show you, if you click on all apps and scroll down to the bottom where it says explore all your apps, if you click on this one, it's going to give you the icon as well as a description of each applications. Some applications you will have access to, for an example, depending on your access level. If you're an admin, you will have access to get to the admin and some compliance and the security pages, where I also know that Project is a paid subscription, add-on subscription. So depending on what type of access you have, you will see the list of these applications. But nevertheless, when you actually click on one of these applications, you may end up navigating to a page that's going to display the content for that application versus actually launching the application. So this was new before. When you would click on the icon, the application will open to a blank page, and you end up with a lot of, document number 1 or document number 2, because of you have opened up all these new blanked applications. So Microsoft has made some changes to where either you're going to open up an existing file within that application, or click on new blank documents, or look at or create a document from templates. So that's nice. So as I start to think about this and looking at it, I was starting to wonder which applications actually shows the summary page. So if I click on Excel, once again, I see all my Excel files. Same thing with PowerPoint, I see all my files. I put together a checklist of applications that's going to provide you with a summary page of their content. So that's Excel, Forms, List, OneDrive, OneNote, PowerPoint, Visio, and Word. So all the other applications will actually launch the actual application. So for an example, when it regards to Outlook and Calendar and People, you're going to launch these applications directly. As I had mentioned earlier, if you have access to Project and it is a paid subscription, again, that application will open. If you found this information helpful, please like this post and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day.